Hello, and welcome to a demonstration of EazyML's RFP document auto-population feature. EazyML is an AutoML platform that specializes in responsible AI. EazyML automates the entire modeling lifecycle, enabling you to quickly and easily derive insights from your data and build highly accurate predictive models that are explainable. Unlike other machine learning models, such as ChatGPT, EazyML features software to prevent hallucinations, making it a trustworthy source of information. EazyML is built on transparency and trust, allowing you to implement responsible AI practices. EazyML's generative AI accelerators allow for the use of Gen AI in many use cases, from pharma to financial services to retail. EazyML also allows users to automatically respond to requests for proposal, or RFPs. An RFP is a business document sent out by a company to announce a project or problem to vendors. The goal of the RFP is to gather information from the vendor to determine whether to work with them. Therefore, the RFP will contain many questions for the vendor to answer. Take this sample RFP. In it, the Fort Worth Housing Authority describes how it would like to provide health and life insurance to its employees. The RFP is then sent out to insurance companies, like our sample company, Legacy Solution. We now have to fill out the RFP, proposing that we could provide life insurance to the Fort Worth Housing Authority, and then they will decide whether or not to accept our proposal. Note that all sample documents being used here are publicly available. It is important for the company sending out an RFP to get as much information as possible so that they can choose the best vendor to complete their task. So, RFPs often include lots of questions. For example, this sample RFP asks, "What are the proposed group life products? Please explain their key features." These questions can be tedious for humans to complete since they need to scan through documents to find the necessary information. This becomes an especially big problem when a company receives multiple RFPs per day. EazyML fills out RFPs with all relevant information, greatly easing the burden for humans. To use this feature, you will first need to log into the RFP document auto-population portal. You can do so by first going to products.easyml.com or using the QR code in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, scroll down to where you see a section called RFP Document Auto-Population. From there, click the arrow and then the portal button to be taken to the portal. Once there, use your login to sign into the portal. If you can see, there's a section on the left to upload internal policy documents. You'll want to upload and select the internal policy documents for your company that you are referencing here. On the other side, you can upload the RFP. Then, to get your results, hit the Analyze button. Here, you can see EazyML provided an RFP response. Scrolling through the document, we can see that all the questions have been answered based on the policy documents. The answers also have citations, meaning that a human can go through and check the information if necessary. The model is very comprehensive and thorough, so each question's response is not missing any information. If the information needed to answer a question is not found in the document, the answer will state that no information was available. The RFP response also has an audio summary, so someone can quickly hear how the model responded to questions. Here's a snippet of it.
The Fort Worth Housing Authority, FWHA, submitted the RFP, and the following outlines the questions asked along with the corresponding responses and references. 1. What are the proposed group life products? Please explain their key features. The proposed product is Legacy Solution, single premium universal life insurance, designed to provide family protection for life by converting a one-time premium into a guaranteed.
There is also a button to email out the audio summary and response. This means that someone can automatically email out the report and audio summary to their team for review, or potentially to other people as needed. While this model is intended for use in answering RFPs, it can also be used to fill out other documents with questions. For example, a nonprofit could use EazyML to complete a bank loan application form. EazyML's RFP document auto-population feature increases efficiency by reducing the time necessary to complete RFPs. It does so in a transparent and explainable manner, allowing humans to easily check its conclusions. For more information, please reference our website or contact us at info@easyml.com. Thank you for watching.